Alright guys, I'm at the Vending station. I'll just teach you how to save time by coming to this ticket vending machine right in front. There's only one, the rest are not in use. So let's take a look. Now it's in Vietnamese. Firstly, choose English. If you are comfortable using English, just one time and then change to English. And the starting station is Vending station. I want to go to Tan Phu, which is station 7. I press one time. Alright, so at the right side is a single journey ticket boarding Vending station An Phu. The fare is 7,000 dong. There's a deposit of 15,000 and total be 22,000 because 15,000 plus 7,000, 22,000, which is less than $1 US. And once everything is okay, you can actually press OK, or another one is to receipt. This is for the single journey. So let's press we receipt one time. Alright, so you ask you to insert the money for payment or press cancel to get money back. So let's check where's inserting the money. It be here, the bill outlet. And my money with me now, 22,000. It's actually, let me see. So there's an arrow pointing where to insert the money. It will be here, the bill inlet. This is 10,000. Alright, I already insert 10,000. My second 10,000. And they don't actually accept the money because it's not like straight. They go the other side, the other way. You go in with the reverse direction. And now I'm still short of 2,000 right here. 2,000. The 2,000 go in. Alright, so I have paid the full payment. I'll just wait for the card. Make sure you use relatively new notes because the previous one I inserted, they don't accept. Okay, this is good. They inserted it, they accept it. 22,000 and then ticket is issued. You'll be coming out from here. So we just wait. Dun, 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 dun. HCMC stands for Ho Chi Minh City Metro, and this is the card. And on the left side there's a receipt outlet. It's just coming out right now. Alright guys, I hope this helps. So if there's any question with the card or your money can start, you call the hotline 028352666176, or there's a call button here. So that's all, and then thanks very much for watching. I'm going to take my metro now. This is in District 1. I think that but the deposit could be refundable 15,000. I mean, it's really saves your time from queuing. You see about 15 people right now, and then you have to talk to the staff and then get the change back if you're passing them a big note, let's say 500,000. So it saves your time. So why not just go to the vending machine right there and buy the card? It saves lots of time, and I think the card can be used for future times. For another time, I will update again. So yeah, so that's all for this video. Let's go in. By the way, there's a toilet. If you want to go to restroom in the metro, there's a restroom, but actually it's inside after you enter the station. So I'll just show you the gate now. As you can see, there's a big crowd. So we have gate 1, gate 2. Gate 2 only. The other side is for exit, no entry. So this way, and by the way, you can actually use your MasterCard to go in. They actually promote the Napas card or the MasterCard or Zalo Pay. That's for like locals. If you're not using the card, right, then you need to get this kind of receipt. You need to scan at the bottom, which is also time consuming. I'll just show you. Let me tap the card. All you need to do is to press here. Tap it. They say thank you, and the gate is open. So there we go. I just arrived at the boarding gates. So both directions is okay because it's the first station. I'm right going in now. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe, like and share so that more people can also benefit from learning how to buy the ticket at the station in the metro station in the Saigon. Alright, this method can be used in any stations, and you can see that more people coming. It's just alighting from the Vending station. They are going out. Today is Saturday afternoon, the time about 5 PM, so it's like peak hour now. And we are all waiting for the train to go. Now the Saigon Metro just past Ba Son, and we're going to Van Tham Park in the station. It's a nice Saturday afternoon, about 5 p.m. now. And then I think the journey to my destination Anfu will take about 10 minutes. I like to see the track at a high speed, and you can see all the skyscraper, the buildings, and the clear sky.
Đoàn tàu sắp dừng lại tại ga công viên Văn Thánh. Các cửa bên phải sẽ được mở. Ga dừng sau công viên Văn Thánh sẽ là ga
the gate, the staff just announced the gate will open on the right side. Then there's a railing for you to hold on to in case you lose your balance. And there's a shorter one over there as well. So the corner seats actually is more for the elderly, as well as the three seats on both sides. Next station, the Tengang station, where they'll be can walk to the landmark 81. But the way here is like you can see the Pearl Plaza at the distance. One good thing about exploring the metro is during the weekday time you can actually see a lot of stuff. If it's not raining, it's a clear day, then everything you can see. And you can actually like watch the rest of passengers. So this is the Tengang station. They are both sides. The other side is going back to the Vending direction. Oh, next station is Suoi Tien. Oh, can you see the Vending? And the Saigon River from here. Wow. I just saw a lady opposite me like taking selfies. On me she's like taking the scenario. You can also catch a Grab bike, and then but you need to travel along the expressway and it's hot, and then a lot of carbon monoxide. So the air is not so good if you take motorbike. And then if it's raining, then it will not be good. I think the metro is the best. It's affordable, it's fast, there's aircon also. So there's no reason not to take unless you don't like public transportation in Saigon or any place in the world. This station will be Suoi Tien, red color. The train just left.
Đây là chuyến tàu đi bến xe Suoi Tien. Ga tiếp theo là Đơn Phú.
The next station I will alight is called Anfu. It's a nice temple there. Temple there in Kỳ Quang. Wow. So it's a mixture of the houses and apartments right here in Saigon. Look at the tall apartments. You can even see the balcony, the front. And there's a mall here. Vincom Mega Mall. I'm dropping here and then I'm taking a Grab bike. Or maybe I'll walk to there's a Mega Mall. Go there to do some little shopping there, and then maybe I'll do a live stream. Oh, you see the train is just so beautiful, the blue color and a bit of grey and metallic. And there's lift at every station, but sometimes it could be malfunctional, it's not working, so you have to take the stairs. So the train station, I have arrived at the Anfu. Getting ready to alight. So the lift is at the corner, but if you want to walk, you can this way. There's a security. So this way to the exit, and at every station you can actually watch I mean, see a little bit of scenery. Right now, a lot of trees. There are toilets in front, and this is the elevator, the lift. Wow. There's some kind of congestion in front because lots of people trying to exit, and the gates are, there are only a few gates, so need to wait a while. There are only 2 gates to enter and 2 gates to exit. If you use a card, it really saves a lot of time. If you use a paper, then you have to scan, as I mentioned earlier. There are about 5 people in front of me. Go for the card, right? You just tap here, you can go. Usually save a lot of time. I think it save about 5 minutes waiting at the Vending station for the buying tickets. But if certain stations at this station, you can queue and just wait like maybe 2 minutes. But other station, the Vending, wow, it's like waiting such a long time.